Olulanya anyị dị n'ọwụwa anyanwụ, nzọpụta anyị dị n'ọwụwa anyanwụ. Mmiri zobe zocha anwụ ga-awa, ikuku kube kucha anwụ ga-awa, ulukpukube kucha anwụ ga-awa. Biafra ga-adịgide wee ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Biafra ga-adịgide wee ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Nzọpụta anyị dị n'ọwụwa anyanwụ, mmiri zobe zocha anwụ ga-awa, ikuku kube kucha anwụ ga-awa, ulukpukube kucha anwụ ga-awa. Biafra ga-adịgide wee ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Biafra ga-adịgide wee ruo mgbe ebighị ebi.
Greetings, my people. Greetings. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It depends where you are watching from. Today, I decided to do my video on YouTube. There is a reason for that. I'm not happy because a very sad news. If you read the headline, very sad news is coming out from Nigeria now. In Umuahia, at Nnamdi compound, Nigerian military just ambushed the boys moving around in that area, and a lot of death have been reported, a lot of wounded people. Actually, I don't know the reason why, I do make videos and I try to advise my people for them not to go against our political elites, insult them and doing all sorts of bad things about our people. But when will this thing stop, my people? When will this thing stop? When will this killing stop? Why can't our people in the government? What did the poor people that has no even stick in their hand did to the federal government of Nigeria? Is it what I don't know how to put it. Shooting, killing, not that they are demonstrating. These guys are in Nnamdi compound. They open fire. They use live ammunition killing these boys. Let me show you something. Just watch out. Oh my God. Too bad. Why should you be dropping so hard on your citizens? What did these boys do? They did nothing. They did nothing. Just dropping hard on them. Just imagine. Hello, they call on the line. Can you hear me? Where are you calling from? What's your name, please?
This is happening now live at the home of the leader of the Indigenous people. As you can see now, the Nigerian army came and lay ambush and started shooting at the home of the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra. This is live. Yeah, because this is security personnel who was shot by the Nigerian army. This is just happening now live.
And the Ofamman, or the Kubo,
happening now live. Yes, sir. Happening now live in the home of the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra. The Nigerian army just laid ambush and started shooting, and as you can see, they shot one person now, and several others injured at the home of the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra.
And they have killed a lot of youths.
They came with their armor tanks, they came with their security personnel, and started shooting, firing live ammunitions. And you can see one of our members was shot now.
You won't see anybody with stick. They don't have anything. And Nigerian military just opened fire on these boys, just rolling around Nnamdi Kanu's compound.
Wait. So what to make for this thing? Yes. As you can see, are they coming back?
Look at innocent boys.
Can't be over.
Hello. That are claiming to rule. Are we into war?
As you can see, this is what is just happening right now. And I want to place the whole world on our alert that, oh my God, I don't know what to say, I'm just speechless. I'm going to upload the video I took with my phone because the network was bad for me to go live. But you can see, this is the home of the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra.
Our governor in the Abia state.
Please share this video, share it wide. The Nigerian army just came to the home of the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra and started shooting. They shot more than 3 people. I just showed you earlier one of the person was critically shot at the leg. This is happening now live in the You can see this. I'm going to share the video. I'm going to share the video now. So oh my God, I'm short of words because this is the height of it. This is really the height of it. The Nigerian army just came to the home of Biafra and shot people dead.
Freedom fighter.
This is happening now.
This thing is too bad.
This is the home of the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra.
Around somebody's compound. Military ambush. They will not
ambush. Some people decide.
They will not ambush all the terrorists operating in northern Nigeria. They will come and ambush in eastern part of Nigeria that did nothing. All of them are Muslim military.
I want the whole world to see this. This is the home of the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, and now the Nigerian army just came and ambushed and started shooting. They've shot some people.
They can critically down. If Nnamdi Kanu has a right,
I don't know if you can hear the siren. They are still around. They are still standing around.
Village in his compound.
This is happening now in the home of the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra.
Even not to call there around that side, only a right to defend himself. You only a right to defend himself. I mean, the international law does not permit that. So, I want
the whole world to see what is happening now. Because if anything should happen to the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, Nigeria will come down discipline right now, this night.
So, I can't, because people can contribute to an but it came no, and I don't even.
Keep sharing this worldwide. The home of the leader of the Indigenous people is under attack. They are under attack. It's under attack.
Ghana, White House,
I want the whole world to know this now, that if anything should happen to the leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria will burn this night. Let them witness this, let them know this.
They came here
and shot people, a lot of people
dead.
dead.
The greatest nation in this earth.
That is what is happening now.
The American passport, Batana, Nigeria, here. Nigerian government. Don't know what.
1 minute. 1 minute. Hello, they call on. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good evening, bro.
Good evening.
Hello? Good evening.
Yes, can you?
Yeah, in TV now.
I'm live.
Yes.
I want you to put out to the world right now, post it on your timeline, post it everywhere, that the Nigerian army came to the home of the leader of the Indigenous people and started shooting, and they shot some people dead. Here in Ibeku. And that is what is happening live.
No, I'm live.
What we're going to do now is that we're going to retaliate.
Somebody's calling me. What's up? Let me come in, please. Hold on.
I'll go off now. I'm going to off live. I'm going off now. You guys should go to my timeline. I'm going to upload the video of what actually happened and how they shot the person.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
1 minute. Let me
Yeah,
connect
1
you
minute.
so that people will be able to hear you too. 1 minute.
Okay.
So, my people, are you there?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yes,
Hello?
Hello?
hello, I'm still.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
The person on WhatsApp, can you hear me? Oh, 1 minute. So, the person in WhatsApp, can you say something, please?
Yeah, hello?
Yes.
Okay, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, now people can be able to pick your voice too.
Okay.
So, what would you like to contribute, please? And what's your name, please, and where you're calling from?
Okay, my name is Chris Okafor. I'm calling from Switzerland.
Hello, Chris Okafor.
Yeah.
Are you following the current?
Yeah, I am. I am. Yeah. I've been following it, you know.
No, now I'm live now. I'm
live
live
now.
now.
I know. Yeah, live and direct. Yeah.
Okay.
I've been following it. You know.
So, what would you like to contribute, please?
Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you very much for creating a platform for our people, you know.
Yeah, God bless you for that, my brother. Continue.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, my name is Chris Okafor. I'm from Enugu State, in Biafra land. So I've been following your your broadcast since about 2-3 weeks.
Okay.
I've been following it, you know, and I was convinced, you know. I want to tell you a story, just short, because I know a lot of people are watching, are there. Everybody want to make his or her own contribution.
Yes.
Okay. I was like in June, something like in June, ending of June, you know. So I was coming back from work in the evening, you know, because I've been following this Nigerian news because just kind of off and on, you know. So I have never been so moved or so spiritually or involved in this Biafra struggle. So as I was coming back from work around 5:30, so I just something like a voice, Biafra. I heard it, Biafra. Then I came home. Then I just went to search for of Biafra. What's the meaning of
Biafra?
of Biafra? Sorry. So as I was searching, that was the first time I got to know about IPOB, about the Supreme Leader Nnamdi Kanu.
Yeah.
Then I googled. I have been following since then. You know. You understand? So on Monday, tomorrow, that's 2 weeks ago, 13 days ago, I went to the hospital. So I was in the hospital because I did some check. I did some intestine check and what they call Magen and Darm check in German. Intestine check and so I was in the hospital. They gave me this anesthesia, just kind of like just to sleep off. 30 minutes. Just after 30 minutes, I woke up. My wife was standing by my side. So I just woke up. Before waking up, then I fell into a deep dream. Then it's like there was the question was the question they were asking. It's like this: where are you from? I wake up and say, I'm a Biafran. I woke up. My wife recorded. She recorded with her mobile phone. You know. So I've been trying to reach you, but thank God you are. You are now online. You know, this evening. So I want to tell you, Biafra is already here. You understand? It is here already. I saw the sign. I saw it, and it is here.
Yes,
All these things, all these shootings is just a distraction. But we must push ahead, because if we miss this opportunity, that's the end. That is the end. And let me tell you, this evening, I called my mom in Nigeria. So we are like discussing. So she was asking, how about her grandkids? And so I said, yeah, they are all fine. You know? So I told my mom, then I was asking my mom about the Biafran struggle, the Ojukwu war then, because my father fought. Even my father fought at Umuahia. So, but my father is late now. So I called my mother this evening. I was asking her, tell me the story. How? Then she now told me everything, how my father got involved, and so all the plus and all the pro and cons, you know. So she told me everything, what happened. And let me tell you, I was born in Benin. You know, my father moved away from the east before the war. So we grew up in Benin. My parents, my mom is Igbo, my dad is Igbo. So we grew up in Benin, you know, not knowing our culture, not knowing, because as I'm speaking with you now, I can't speak fluent Igbo because we grew outside, because everybody was after the war.
Yeah.
People migrated from the east, you know, and that migration still continued. So why I'm saying this to you, I have kids. I have 4 kids. My wife is Swiss. She's Swiss. So my kids, they're adults now. They can't speak Igbo. So I told my mom, I said, Mom, all this that is happening now, people are migrating out. I said, look at, we are born in Benin with my brothers, with my sister. I mean, we are not fluent in Igbo, so we hardly know know our culture. But look at the gap. Now we are now here in Europe having kids here. You see that link is getting. I mean, that link is breaking. You understand? So look at our kids.
Look, my brother. The thing there is this. They say that when a man travel abroad and get children, if boys are among them, and maybe at the later on something happened that the man have to leave them, the man won't be fighting for those boys to follow him. In our culture, they say that when the child grows, he will look for his father. That's you have grown up now.
That's an adage. Yes, you're right.
It's your duty to go back to your trace back your lineage, go back there, visit them, stay with them, learning the culture of the land. You may go to Nigeria, you may spend, even though it's 6 weeks, within that 6 weeks, you will be able to grab a little thing. If you come back, you feed your children with that.
Of course, you are right. But what I'm clamoring is for at least to get our homeland, a place that we call home, because we are much outside. You see, we are much outside. The new generation, not
the new generation. Our people are that way. We are industrials. We travel abroad. We go, even though you push us to ocean. It is only an Igbo man that will monetize ocean and generate fund out of it.
You are right. You are right. You are right. You are right. Yeah.
They cannot remain in Biafra land. Our people move around. They are like they are the Jews. You know, the Jews develop a lot of business around the world. Even the World Bank, the banks that we are using today, all over the world, was originated from Israel. You know. So my topic today actually it focused on the killings of our people back home.
Yes. You
understand?
So what I'm trying to say is that, I mean, the struggle, we mustn't give it up. We mustn't give it up. We must continue. You understand? We must continue. The struggle is a very good thing. You know, because our father fought and they lost, but now, you understand? Even because the last week I was listening to your comments, to your program. So one guy called, I think from Sweden also. He was saying the way he is now, even if if devil said this is Biafra, he's ready to take. He's desperate. So I like such desperation. You understand? So my contribution is about the killing today, about the killings. You know, this is just provocation. I believe it's just provocation, just to ignite us, so that when we start retaliating, then they will say, hey, these people are terrorists. You understand?
Yeah, I know what they are planning. I have told my people before, and I thank God that they listen to my speech, that they should not revoke. They are trying to place a state of emergency. That is all they are trying to activate. But there is no room to activate it if our people remain calm. You know,
that's true.
If they try to retaliate, then they will see every reason to turn that area to state of emergency. So, is there another thing that you would like to contribute so that others will call in?
No. Thank you very much, my brother.
God
thank
bless
you very
my
much.
brother. God bless you for calling in. Thank you very much.
All right,
for that.
then. Kachifo, bye-bye.
Kachifo, my brother. Thank you for calling in. So, my people, you may call in with your WhatsApp call. You may call the number. You may call through the Skype call. Add something to this killing. What can we do to stop these killings? These boys are not carrying any gun. They are not aggressive. They are not attacking anybody. They are only standing around Nnamdi Carlos compound. And if the military are digging in to Nnamdi Carlos compound, attacking the people, what is their agenda? What is their plan? How long will this killing last? How many souls are we going to lose before Nigeria will let go? These guys did nothing. People are calling about Ohaneze Ndigbo. Ohaneze Ndigbo, who is their paymaster, who is paying for their salaries, is the same people that are killing our people. And the program I made yesterday, somebody called from Abuja, I made us to understand that the Ohaneze Ndigbo is even campaigning in northern Nigeria, telling the Igbos to start investing more in northern Nigeria, while our own area is drying up. You know, asking me number, look at the mirror there, you will see the Teleconnect Mirror Africa. God bless you. Let me pick a call. Hello, the call on the line. What's your name and where are you calling from?
Hello, my name is Ifeanyi Nachukwu, and I am here in German.
Okay. Are you following the program now?
Yeah, I'm following the program since this why, and I'm following this movement.
Your line is not all that clear. It's freezing. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you very well. I think it's network.
Okay, go ahead. I can hear you now. Go ahead.
Yeah. What I'm trying to contribute in this matter that
yes, I'm hearing. Hello? We lost him. My people, somebody's asking about the WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is +234 814 375 2944. I repeat, +234 8143 75 2944. Thank you for that. So, my people, the news that just came in, for those that are just joining now, Nigerian military have docked in around Nnamdi Carlos compound, and they have opened fire, killed a lot of boys, wounded many. Even a lot of Nigerian media, Sahara reporters, all of them are rushing to Umuahia, sending their agents to go and cover all things that are happening there. Boys are dead. They are not even they are not protesting. They are just hanging around their supreme leader's compound. You know how our people is, standing around, cracking jokes, talking. All of a sudden, it's like war have opened fire. The war have broken. They open fire on these guys, kill as many as they can, wound as many as they can, just like that, just like that, without no reason. With somebody have triggered that thing, somebody have activated that thing, somebody have pushed in this operation, somebody commanded this operation. Those people should be brought to book. the whole human rights organization operating in our area. Hello, the caller on the line. Are you the same person from Germany?
Yes.
So, what would you like to contribute, please?
What I would like to contribute is this, that Nigerian army and the government of Nigeria,
Yes.
they are trying to push us to the war.
Yes. They are trying to push us to war, but we know that we will
Oh,
not
dear.
react. We will not react to that. Is there another thing
But
that
what
chip in and
what I'm trying to tell them, they should, if Buhari is feeling that is a King Kong, he should go and see the history of Libya and see how it is.
yeah, okay, thank you for that, my brother. God bless you for that. Let me pick another call. Hello, the call on the line. What's your name and where are you calling from?
Yeah, my name is Chima. I am calling from Las Vegas, United States.
What's your name again, please? I didn't pick that name.
Chima.
Okay, Chima, are you following the program live now?
Yes, I'm following the program. You just give me your number right now.
Oh, are you the one? Oh, God bless you, my brother. Thank you for calling in.
Yes.
So, what would you like to chip in, Chima?
Yeah, actually, like what you said is a planned work. They are trying to provoke the unarmed Biafrans so that we can resort to armed struggle, whereby they will use that opportunity as their own advantage and create a state of emergency in East, and especially Abia states in particular. All they want to do is, they know they can't arrest Nnamdi Kanu. They know they can't stop him from talking. What they want to do is, they want to stop him from going about preaching the gospel of Biafra. When there is a state of emergency in Abia State, IPOB won't gather anymore. There won't be any gathering anymore. There won't be no mass gathering anymore.
Yes, that's what they are trying to activate.
That is what they are trying to activate. They want to shut IPOB down from gathering. That is the intention. It's as simple as ABCD. Them coming to Nnamdi Kanu's house with armor tank. Is Nnamdi Kanu's house Sambisa Forest?
No, that place is the Boko Haram depot.
Just imagine, it's Nnamdi Kanu has Borno State. It's Nnamdi Kanu's house at Adamawa. Just look at armor tank at Afariuku, armor tank. These people are so abnormal. It is obvious that the hatred for
but my brother, I don't know, maybe like this Amnesty International, other international NGOs operating in Nigeria, I do see how they do stop their countries from supplying ammunition to countries like Nigeria. Why do they keep quiet in Nigeria?
Nigeria seek help, armed help from countries like America, the US and Russia in the name of fighting Boko Haram.
Yes, but these people, they are fighting Britain not to supply arms to Bahrain, to Saudi Arabia, that they are using it on their people. Why don't they tell the United States to give Nigeria arm embargo? They even though people are protesting in Lagos, they will use tear gas. In Kaduna, they will use tear gas. In Eastern region, they will use live ammunition.
The problem with the Easterners, why you can't use live ammunition in Lagos State, in the Duduwa land. The Yorubas elders will come against you heavily. The problem with East, the problem with we, the South and the South, is our leaders. Our leaders are devils. You can't try this nonsense in Ekiti State, Ayodele State. You come with armor tank. You can't try it. Where is the chief security officer of that state? The governor of the state. That is his sole responsibility is to protect the life and property of that state first, before any other thing. What are they saying? It is obvious that our leaders, let me call them our leaders because the governors are the leaders. We in Ebola, we've produced the worst politicians in the history of Nigeria. The worst. Look at what Yorubas did, the Ibadan Declaration. Oni Official was there.
governor, so many governors was there. The governors that were not present there, they sent their delegates. Yorubas came out. It has nothing to do with political party, APC, PDP. Yorubas dump those rubbish aside. Now it has to do with Yoruba. Oduduwas.
The interest of the people.
The interest of Yorubas. Yorubas came out. Oni of Ife was there. Yorubas came out to make a declaration. They tagged it Ibadan Declaration because of the interest of the Yorubas. Look, when they did the program at channels, this idiot from the northern part of Nigeria, what is his name? I've forgotten the idiot's name. He called in and he was saying, I watched the program on channels television after the declaration. He invited this the Afanifere spokesperson. I've forgotten his name, Odumaga or what. They invited him after he finished speaking the Hausa guy, the Alhaji from the north. He called in and he was trying to bring in religion and rubbish into Yoruba land by saying the people the Yorubas invited in that program were all Christians, that he didn't see any Muslim there. They must shut him down there outright. He said, Yorubas, when it comes to the thing that has to do with Yorubas, they don't talk about religion, they talk about Yoruba.
That is the interest of the people. They even in the Eastern region, I don't know what makes our leaders to keep quiet. Because
our leaders are evil.
Because no matter how stubborn your son is, you will not disown him or denounce that child. You know,
our leaders are evil.
They just kept quiet. You know, the killing now that even as you just mentioned, every governor is the chief security officer of the state. And military with live armor tankers rolled down to Umuahia. What is happening? Is Ojukwu in his bunker again in Umuahia? Now they have dug in and opened fire on these children rolling around. These guys are not, they are not even on the street. They are in Nnamdi Kalu's compound, at the front of his compound. My man, these guys open fire. That is with cold blood.
One thing I want to say is
kill innocent young people.
Huh? One thing I want to say is the governor of the eastern state, they're all keeping quiet. Let me speak it in Igbo. Miri rugeni yazowe. What they are trying to do, they are keeping quiet. This rain, they are trying to pour. They are keeping quiet, and it's so cloudy. When the rain starts falling, it will fall on the governor's children, their families.
Nnamdi Kanu should also take care. Now they have dug into that place so that they would not assassinate him and tell you that it's an unknown person. You know, as far as Nigeria is concerned, everything can happen.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, I want to believe Nnamdi Kanu shouldn't be there by now. That is obvious. When we are dealing with animals, we should be smart. These guys, they came for a reason. They came for a purpose. Had they been the guys?
They cannot withstand the war against Boko Haram. They haven't even pushed Boko Haram out of the local government, not even a state. Small local government they occupied. Nigerian military cannot even push them out. Where you exercise, you are training. Even the Americans and Britain are training Nigerians in Nigeria. Are they not getting all this news that the people they are training are exercising what they train in the hands and the bodies of ordinary civilians in Eastern region?
I want to use this opportunity to urge all Biafrans to be calm. In every war, in every revolution, there are definitely going to be casualties. So at this point now, the Nigerian government, they've lost. The Hausas, they can see clearly their oil blocks going away from them. These people are doing everything there, so they are desperate. They are desperate.
Yes,
it is gone.
I would like to use this opportunity also to talk to the international community. Middle African television is nothing but it's something. I'm begging you people, what did the Biafrans do that made you to use big speaker to cover your ear that you will not hear their cry? We are not calling you to come and divide Nigeria for us. We can handle that one. We are calling on you to put arm embargo on Nigeria, on these innocent killings. These people, they are massacring. This genocide. Now the genocide is climbing gradually. You are keeping quiet. Tomorrow, you will try to stand with us to denounce these killings. But when it was happening, you are the one delivering all sorts of weapons to the Nigerian government. This thing have happened in Africa before. And you swear to protect that such a thing will never repeat itself again. But it's coming gradually in Eastern region. As you just said, my brother, I will also join you to tell my people, we know their plan. Please keep calm. Stay away from that area where they are gathering. Don't attack them. Just keep calm. They want to put state of emergency in Abia State so that they will be able to squeeze out IPOB. Yes. What you will do is remain calm, please. I'm begging you with the name of God.
They should keep calm. November 17th is around the corner. November 18th is around the corner. November 18th is, I target a day of reckoning. That is the day the whole world gonna know that. We've done the first one. The first one was 30th May. Sit at home. That is the foundation of all these things. So the second one that is going to shut Nigeria, that is going to break Nigeria into pieces, is the November 18th Anambra State election. They want to create state of emergency in Nnamdi Kanu State. That is the intention. That is the game plan. That is the game plan. We should keep calm. We are winning this war. We are winning it. But the unfortunate thing there is that the international community, like the United Nations, they know what is happening, but they won't come in with full force until the Biafrans pick up arms and it becomes disastrous. Because if the Biafrans should pick up arms, I will assure you it's not going to be gun to gun, bullet to bullet. Now we are talking of, we are in the era of nuclear weapons.
1960 something, they were fighting the so-called Nigeria, but the Biafrans were fighting the Great Britain of that time, the United States, and the Great Soviet Union, including Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Bahrain, Tunisia, and Morocco. Only Biafra, we are fighting these people. Even though the Russian government, the Soviet Union, Nigeria couldn't even withstand the pressure of the Biafran. Soviet Union sent in their pilots to pilot the jet fighter, the MiG something, I don't know whether it's MiG whatever, or that MiG-15 or MiG whatever, that they are using on Biafran people. It's being flown by the Soviet people, you know. And we are not afraid of them, but I said, my people, keep calm. Keep calm. There are ways, there are many ways to bury Onyakagbugbu.
Yeah, the Turkish diplomat has sent his message across, because the message has gone to Turkey, the message has gone to Israel, they've received the message. So, like the Turkish diplomat, he said, all Biafrans should do everything possible to protect Nnamdi Kanu. They know that if the head is down, every part of the body is condemned. But though in the case of Biafra, even if something happens to Nnamdi Kanu, we've got so many aggressive Biafrans. Nnamdi Kanu has groomed, has raised so many aggressive Biafrans. So they're just wasting their time. So, like what the guy said, the message has been passed to the world. It has been announced. Everybody knows what is happening right now in Abia State. Our governors are keeping quiet. Fine, no problem. Our senators that we send there to represent us to be our mouthpiece, we voted them in. We are paying their salaries.
My brother, on the senators, you should not be afraid on that, but because I believe on one thing. If no election is held, if election didn't hold in Anambra State, then we will be able to reactivate the withdrawal of all the senators. We know how to do it.
Yeah.
We know how to do it. And if we have the majority on our side, kicking them out of office is my mind, because we can do it overnight. The signatory they need will appear under 2-3 hours. We will get that all the whole signatory and start withdrawing them from that position. That's all the message I have for them. And my people, I would like to stop here because I'll be working tomorrow. So let me have some rest and then let her go to bed. And we'll see us tomorrow again. God bless you. Thank you for tuning in. Let us dance our Biafran motivation song. Udo Dromo Biafra. Yeah, brother, thank you for calling in.
Ikwere na Biafra, when you move back again. Ikwere na Biafra, Biafra, when Mary. Ikwere na Biafra, when you move back again. Ikwere na Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. Ikwere na Biafra.
Hello, the call online. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Zebedi. Good evening.
Good evening. What's your name and where are you calling from, please?
Yeah, my name is Ugochukwu. I'm from Umuahia in Imo State. And I'm calling from Brazil.
Wow, from Brazil. My brother. So our message is also reaching Brazil.
Everywhere in the world. I'm watching your program every day. I'm the person that wrote you this morning here in our time and demand for your WhatsApp number.
Okay.
Yeah, I love your program and I love what all you're doing. Understand? But just all that is happening over there in Nigeria, in Biafra land, it's very shocking. Like this, like the one you're just talking about now, about the shooting now.
Yes. They have killed a lot of people.
It's very, very shocking. All this thing is very, very. I don't know why our fathers, being the Ohanes and the governors, the senators, I don't know why they are keeping quiet for this. Yeah, I don't know why.
I don't know what is going on.
Is it because these people dying? Is it because they are not their sons and daughter, their sister, their brother, their wives? Why are they keeping quiet for this? It's very, very bad. It's very, very bad. They need to wake up. They need to wake up.
Yes.
They need to wake up.
Yes.
It's very, very bad, my brother. It's very, very bad. Yeah. Even though Nnamdi Kanu have done what nobody have ever done on this earth, but this guy stood up and tried to do what nobody have ever attempted to do since after the war. Why not they give this guy support? Why not they try? Why
they should look, they shouldn't support him, but protect the lives of our people. Use their position to protect the lives of our people. Because I believe that the Biafrans has people, when they cough, Nigeria will catch fire. I believe that Biafrans has people, when they make call, there will be no Nigerian tomorrow. But all of them just keep quiet. What is happening? Why?
Keep quiet.
Nigerian military are killing innocent civilians on the streets.
Every day, killing every day. Nobody is saying anything. Nobody is saying anything because of their selfish interest. Because of just their selfish interest. They only think about their pocket.
Thinking about pocket is more than enough, because the pocket by now should be full. You know, the pocket should be full by now. It should be pouring on the ground. You know, the blood of our people are now.
If I were these people, when this issue of Biafra came, now, if I were there, if I were these people, Senate, governors, I would say, okay, let's join hands and fight this battle together, because they have already gained what they have from the Senate, from the governor. Their children will never finish it.
Do you know what they are protecting? Do you know what they are protecting? Let me tell you something. Every former governor of East, I don't know whether it's in Nigeria or they use it to put our people under control. They will eat their salary till their kingdom come. All the benefit they are getting when they are still ruling, if they get out of office, that benefit will remain until their kingdom comes. Did you get me? So that is what they are protecting. If they allow Biafra to come, that means that pipe, that dark oil they are sucking, will no longer float.
Yes. They will not. They will not get it anymore.
But the Yorubas
like your
are
program,
also enjoying
listened
that
before.
privilege. But they come and have this their
My
declaration,
brother,
united declaration.
imagine what they did 2 days ago.
Both
Listen,
the kings,
this,
the ordinary people on the street,
the
the
Yorubas
politicians,
now,
joined
the
hands
Yorubas
together
now,
and gave Nigeria an automatic.
definitely. My God. Okay, 2 days ago, you saw what the Yorubas did. You saw it. Everybody saw it. Even the Ohanes MD, but the senators, the governors, all of them, they saw
Most
it.
of them were there.
Can that be a lesson? Can that be a lesson to them all? Can that be a lesson?
Well, my brother, I was about to close before you call in. I really appreciate your.
What exactly time do you start your program? What time?
Normal,
What time?
I do start 8 o'clock German time. You know. But
okay, 8
today,
o'clock in the night. 8 o'clock p.m. German time.
Now it's let's say almost to 10 now. You know. But this one I'm doing now is out of. It's not the normal program. I'm just doing this one on my own. You know, I do give barristers some platform to
the normal program with barrister. What time is it? Is it the same time?
8 o'clock, yes.
Okay.
But if you subscribe on YouTube, anytime I come live, it will notify you immediately and send you an email that the program is live. It's going on now. Yes, you need to subscribe.
Like this very one now. I saw you on live. I saw you live. I was listening.
Okay.
I was listening before I called.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm on live. I'm listening live before I called you.
Okay, my brother.
You know, the problem of this Biafran struggling. The problem is our people. As you can see, like I listened to your program. Was it yesterday or this morning? Yesterday program when the Abuja guy, when he called, he said this is the Ohanes Mdebo.
Yes.
They are the one telling our people to be buying land, to keep buying land, to keep developing Abuja.
Yes, because their masters that pay their salary are giving them a mandate or something to give to their people, and they are doing it, my brother.
You see?
Yeah. Well, actually, we will keep the remaining things tomorrow. Are you there? We will keep Are you there? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Please, can we keep the remaining things tomorrow so that I will be able to, because I need to close for today. Thank you for calling in, my brother. Thank you for following up.
No.
God bless you, my brother. God bless you. Okay, so my people, actually, let me repeat this advertisement again about the account number that I just put. Nnamdi Carlos lawyers, the barristers, their group, they call it the defenders of fake news. The counter fake news that is coming out of Nigeria. These guys need to come live to talk to our people. They have message for you. But I cannot carry the payment alone, the burden alone. For all their groups to come live, for us to have shows, it will take me up to 100,000 naira to recharge all of their smartphones or to the standard, so that they will be able to talk live and everything will move perfectly. You will hear their voice. That is why I put out that account number. I demanded for your help, you know, so that we'll be able to bring them in. They will enlighten our people. Even though as this killing is coming up, you may ask them questions. What can we do as lawyers to reduce the killings in our territory? You know, they need to come live. They are ready. They are waiting to come live. I'm demanding you, wherever you are, if you don't know how to send money to the account, use MoneyGram. MoneyGram can pay in under 3 minutes into any account, and they charge less, $4 to send any amount. The minimum $4, any amount you want to send, they will pay into the account. MoneyGram does it. Or you write me, tell me that you are sending to Western Union, or you use many ways. Just support us, help, so that we'll be able to recharge the funds of this our barristers back home, for them to join me on this platform and educate and give out some lucrative information they want our people to get. They have been trying to publish it in Nigerian newspapers. They are rejecting to collect all those things. But on our platform, the news could be able to come out and sell out to our people. Please come for our rescue. God bless you and remain blessed as you help, and God will pay you back as you support your people. There are many ways to support. There are many ways. But on this one, we want to bring out the voice of these barristers for them to make the world to understand that in Nigeria, there is no law. You know, in Nigeria, law doesn't exist. In Nigeria, the judiciary system has collapsed. Nothing is working. It's the president that is dictating everything that is happening in that country. That is why we need your support. God bless you and remain blessed. Let's continue on our motivation song.
Rising sun, we love and cherish. Beloved homeland of our great heroes. We must defend our lives or we shall perish. We must protect our soul from all our foes. But if the price is death for all we hold dear, then let us die without a shred of fear. Land of the rising sun, we love and cherish. Beloved homeland of our great heroes. We must defend our lives or we shall perish. We must protect our souls from all our foes. But if the price is death for all we hold dear, then let us die without a shred of fear.
My people, your support is needed on this account that I'm just presenting. It's my personal account. Please support us with anything that you can support. Nobody is demanding we should give heaven and earth, but anything that you support so that we'll be able to empower the barristers from Nigeria to be live always and give us information, first-hand information, what's going on, how Nnamdi Kalu's case is moving, what is still holding those people that are still in prison, the condition that they find themselves, how things is running. You will call, you will ask questions, and we should deliberate. All I need is your support. I cannot do it alone. 100,000 naira is not a joke. I have spent a lot of money this month to make this platform to run perfectly, as you just said. God bless you as you help. God bless you as you support us. Look, the military are killing our people. But when we bring these barristers in, they will be able to lecture us how things are moving in that nation. That's why your support is needed. We need you. We need your support. Please do it for us. Do it for our people. Do it for your people, not for me. I'm living in German. I'm not begging for any money, but we need to get more things out of Nigeria, out of our fatherland. As you do it, God will bless you. Bye-bye for now.
Chineke